All right, hello everyone. This is day 3. I didn't do so much on the productive app. I was doing my problem sets for CS50, but I did add just a few little quick things. Um, when you click on one of these menu items, I'm going to have it so that the text content up here automatically changes to reflect it. And now the more that I look at it, because this nav bar goes all the way across up until about here, I hate that it's not perfectly centered. So I'm probably going to play with the padding. It's because this stuff on the right takes up more space in the hamburger menu, but I'm going to play with the padding to get it in the center because this is killing my OCD. But yeah, anyway, as you click on any of these tabs, it dynamically changes with JavaScript the text content of this header tag up here. Other thing that I added is the add button. I made it position absolute so that it'll always sit on top of whatever is up under it. I thought about putting it up here, but I know I've seen a couple other like dashboardy like apps, and they had the plus button kind of floating, so I kind of like the way that looked. Of course, I want to add like a hover transition to it, but I just made the button and put a font awesome icon right here. When you click on it, this is where the form will be. Of course, I haven't added the form yet, but I did add the overlay, and I added. I'm still playing around with the transition, what I want the transition to do when you click on it, but that's what I got so far. And I just set it to toggle for right now, but it'll have the form, exit button up here, a close button. I think I'm going to do tabbed browsing. Not tab, but just put tab. So it'll be like a 2-for-1 form, just because if I do implement the finance thing, that'll be like you could either add an expense or you could add a task or you could add a project. So I want you to be able to add either one off of that one form. You just click on whatever tab that you want. I think that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, so far that's what I got. I also did because this is just in another file on my computer, but I also am doing the build with Webpack. So that was a little bit of a relearning curve because it'd been like a month since I'd played with Webpack. So I got stuck figuring out how to add an image with Webpack because you have to import the image, and with the build, it automatically finds the path of the image. I can't explain it, but I couldn't remember how to do that step. So I found a YouTube video that I shared, and I got that straight. So as far as what is actually pushed onto my GitHub, it's just the nav bar so far. And then I don't have the icons. I need to look back, probably find a YouTube video for that too, how to include Font Awesome with Webpack. Because I don't have an HTML file that I'm using. It's dynamically created when I run, npm run build. So I need to figure out how can I add that without just copy and paste and link like I normally would in the HTML file. So that's where I'm at so far. Thanks for watching. This is day 3.